Welcome to another episode of Kookievision. In this video, I'm going to be making a simple Christmas tree using a star tip. Now to start off, I'm going to be doing the trunk of the tree, and I'm using a chocolate brown piping consistency royal icing fitted with a number 2 tip, and I'm going up and down, back and forth to create the texture of the bark. Now to create the branches, I'm using a stiff consistency green royal icing fitted with a number 35 star tip, and I'm starting at the bottom and just pulling upwards, and I've done about 8 branches here, but you can do as many as it takes to fill up that bottom section. And for a little pop of color, I'm using these little colorful sprinkles that I found. You can use any sort of sprinkle that you want. So for the second section here, I'm using a lighter green this time. Again, it's a stiff consistency with a number 35 tip, and I'm overlapping the top of the bottom section here, and I'm opting to use some white sprinkles this time. And in keeping with the pattern that I started, I'm just using the same green as I used in the first section, and then finishing off with the same colorful sprinkles that I used in the first section as well. And you can see also that I'm just doing as many branches as it takes to fill the section. And then finally, to finish off the cookie, I'm back to using the same light green that I used in the second section, and I'm finishing it off with some white sprinkles. And this section should only take you about 2 or 3 branches. And I'm going to finish off the very top with this pretty little gold star sprinkle. And there we go, we've got the finished Christmas tree here. And if you're looking to kind of dive into the cookie decorating world, this is a perfect first Christmas tree to kind of delve into. And all made using one consistency. You don't have to worry about a flooding consistency or a piping consistency. It's all made using one stiff consistency, and you don't even need to use 2 different greens or anything like that. You could use one type of green. You can use any sprinkle that you want. You don't even need to use a sugar cookie. You could use a gingerbread. It would look great on gingerbread. And yeah, make it your own. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like me on Facebook and on Instagram. Bye!